today's video, I will be showing you guys how to download PUBG on Windows. Make sure you are connected to internet. Also make sure that you have already downloaded Steam app in your Windows. If not, then you can check out my previous videos where I have taught you how to download Steam on Windows. Now let's get started. Open any of the browser in your desktop. Here I'm opening Google Chrome. At the top you can see the search bar. Type there PUBG PC download. Now here you can see different links for downloading PUBG. Scroll down. You can see this option of PUBG Battlegrounds on Steam. Click on this link. Now scroll down. You can see this option of play game. Tap on it. Now here click on this option. Yes, Steam is installed. And then click on open Steam. Click on next. It is in the process. It is preparing PUBG to install in your Windows. You have to wait for a few seconds. Click on finish. After it is installed to your Windows, you can easily open and use that app. In this way, you can easily download PUBG on Windows. At the end, if you find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.